I'm really pleased to say that after a lot of work, we've launched the new Virtalent website. Today I want to walk you through my top 5 aspects about the new design. Firstly, we've got a new colour palette. We've introduced a new bright green accent colour and added this to our logo. This signals growth, positivity and success, the traits we know our service provides to our clients. Secondly, white space. We've tried to make good use of white space around the site. Everything feels a lot less cluttered, less cramped, and we've introduced a new clearer, lighter sans serif font that's easier to read. We've also introduced bespoke illustrations. We've cut out any stock graphics wherever possible, save for a few stock photos. Instead, we hired a talented UI designer to create bespoke illustrations completely for Virtalent. We've also improved the copy. No longer does our website send you to sleep. And this includes a huge FAQ sections, as well as properly explaining the service we offer and how it all works. Now it has a real voice and shows exactly what Virtalent is all about. It reads exactly as we communicate as a team. Professional, yet honest and friendly. And 5, we've decided to shout louder about our successes. This includes a new success stories page which features in-depth case studies with some of our clients, as well as testimonial sliders dotted throughout the site, and a new virtual assistants page where you can meet some of our VAs. We've decided to shout about successes from the top of the rooftops in this new design. So please do take a look around our new digital home and welcome to the new Virtalent.com.